If you could stay for a second, my love, then we would know what it is to fall in love once again. After all, my heart has been wounded before, but you stayed and you showed, and you vowed to love me so. I